Glenair Digital Torque Wrench Operational Demonstration. Operating Overview. Power on unit. To power on, depress the R key. Wrench is set up to automatically enter torque environment upon startup. Wrench will automatically power off after 2 minutes of non-usage. To reset the torque wrench, depress the R button for 3 seconds. To add a floating preset, depress the S key. Raise or lower value to desired torque by pressing the plus or minus keys. To store the value into memory, select the S key again. Value is stored into memory. Up to 999 values can be stored into the memory of the torque wrench. To use a stored value in memory, begin by pressing the Q key. Display will read NO. Search for the stored value by pressing the plus or minus keys. To load value to be used, press the Q key again. The value is now loaded and ready for use. To change the torque unit setting, press the S key for 1 second. Note that the torque wrench will power on with the last torque unit setting used. Glenair accessories are typically attached using inch-pounds measurements. Press the plus key for 3 seconds to enter memory mode. Press the plus or minus key to search for a memorized value. To load the value and exit memory mode, press the S key. Or reset the unit by pressing the R key. Torque mode setting. To change from peak to track mode, press the P button. USB mode. To enter USB mode, press and hold the minus key for 3 seconds. Display will read ON for USB mode. To exit USB mode, press and hold the minus key again for 3 seconds. Display will read OFF.